tweaking out right now. We back on the screen. Drop a like. I told you guys, I'm dropping nothing but videos. Even when 25 comes out, I'm going crazy that first month. Then I may simmer down a little bit, but when I mean crazy, like the videos, how they gonna come out, people gonna understand. Like, oh yeah, you know. Now, a lot of people are saying demigods are back. Oh my! And when I'm looking at this, right? Let's look at this build, and we're gonna do something too, just to see. We're gonna make a build actually in a builder. I thought I couldn't make a build, but when I looked at this screenshot to demigod, I thought I couldn't make a pre-early build, but we're gonna do something in the builder and test it out and go a little bit deeper into it. All right, but this is a build at 99 that they showed and previewed. All right, we see the close shot as at a 78. We see driving layup at a 93, driving dunk 93. We're gonna look at all the high greens real quick. 3-point 87, ball handling 93, speed with ball 91, speed 87, steal 85. Block, offensive rebound, defensive rebound low. Okay, no blocking. Okay, these are low. These are low. No standing dunk. Okay, what type of build is this? Still 85. Holy smokes! What the 74 perimeter interior? God damn! What type of build is this? Vertical 80. Holy yo! Who is this? Yo! Now, here's my take. Here's my take, people. Here's my take. 85 pass act? Yo, this pass act? No, this is crazy. Let me make sure I'm looking at this clearly. Mid-range. Okay, the mid-range in 80 is low. Now, Mike Wayne did say that to be super elite, he said you're going to have a higher attribute. So when I'm looking at this builder now, when I'm looking at it past the OPI, so not looking at it with the OPI, no, there ain't no way you can't look at this without the OPI. Starting overall rating. This is the build tester right here, y'all. It's given off a PG because the strength is low. We're seeing fast agility, no block, low perimeter defense. I feel like the yellow is going to matter. That's like really balanced stats, and somebody with that is going to feel that and get cooked. Still could be hit because we don't have no right stick ripper. It's only pickpocket. And 85 still doesn't mean you will get high. It could be silver, and that could mean nothing because 2K is taking away less badges. Like, we only have 5 shooting badges. Think about that. So that shows they're breaking down badges and making that more simple. You guys watched my takeover video. I talked about how takeover is more complex now. That's going to matter more in increasing a certain stat to actually probably even do something on the court. They have a new system, basically how they balanced it. I feel like that mid-range being a 77 now, you're going to feel that. That 87 3-pointer, that'll probably be cool for you, but that's not the 90 3-pointer. You see how they're giving you 2 90 stats where he has, when I'm looking at offense, oh yeah, it's actually, this is not that demigodish. I had to slow down. They can dunk. This could be like a 6'7" type-ish build or something like that. Not 6'7", 6'6". I don't know, somewhere around that. The build can dunk. It looks OD because the build could dunk and it looks like it could get some good layups. But it's not 99, it's 93s. So we have to look at what 93s may be this year to NBA 2K25. May not be that crazy. You know what I mean? Because what is a 99? We haven't seen, they not showing us a builder with a 99 stat. So we may be looking at this like getting all like, oh, this looks too crazy. This looks too OD. But think about it. No strength may be a factor where it may hit you hard this year. They already set blocks and heights and stuff, so without no block, we don't know how crucial that is this year. When block used to be better in the older 2Ks, when players didn't have it, it was automatic buckets in a certain way. Now this year, players could do fake stuff just coming away. Now it seems like it's going to get back to that, obviously. Pass accuracy, ball handle, and speed with ball. This build seems like it could dribble. I'm not gonna give it the shooting crazy because Mike Wayne said you need to have higher stats to shoot at a crazier clip. So I'm not gonna give it the shooting like that. OD. This seems like a playmaking slasher type. I feel like an 87 is not gonna be as crazy this year. It'll be cool, but not as crazy. Not as crazy with the new defensive mechanics and certain things, and 2K is pushing towards this IRL play style. Then he can steal a little bit. And that's about it when you really look at it. His perimeter is not good to where he's going to lock you down perimeterly. Like, he's not going to have that new clamps type badge, that they replace her clamps for the perimeter D. He's not going to have that high. He'll probably have a pickpocket maybe high. So, okay. I'm seeing this. I'm seeing where there's cons in the build at. Because I know they're shooting more for balance, regardless of if we see high attributes or not. That's just always been their styles for people to have this. Oh, I got this attribute, high that attribute. And it seems like it's really playmaking and finishing, where he has heavy offensively, and he has some steal there, and he has some shooting there, a little bit of shooting. Not that bad when you really kind of break it down. Not that bad. Not that bad. And then we got to see the height. They didn't show us the height, so this was just like a sneak peek of what type of build you could see. But it's not that bad. I know it's a smaller build because of the strength. The strength already gives it away. Having that low strength lets me know, okay, it's not a tall build. It can't be a tall build because he has so much agility and ball handle. So this could definitely be like maybe a 6'3". It's giving off like an Ant vibe, low key. Yeah, hold up. When you think about it's giving off an Ant Edwards vibe. Ant gets steals and shit too. 85 is kind of balanced. Like, they just have to make sure that 85 is balanced this year. It's not OD. To have like a gold Hall of Fame pickpocket, you have to have like 98, 99 type time, and other stats get hit. So this is the first look at a potential demigod build in NBA 2K25. Let me know y'all opinions. Does this look OP? This looks OD. Like, when you're looking at it, it looks OD. If they have it like the same 24, because that's like an all-around build, kind of do everything on offense and steal the ball, play D, don't deserve that much. You know, they got to have that type of balance to it. Remember, each year the stats could change. An 85 could be different. 85 used to be different in previous years. You know what I mean? Understand. People used to go to just straight 90s one year, so understand. Stuff changes. Hit that like, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think about the first demigod build. I'll see y'all in the next video. OG back on the screen. We got my man Duke. Now, Duke, I fuck with my boy Duke, alright? Used to be in the 2K community. I'm still in the 2K community, you know, but I'm transitioning over, doing IRL videos, reactions, you know, putting a little bit of the knowledge out. So people have been spazzing because of this picture right here. As you can see, Duke with the crop top on. Now, let's listen to what he's saying.
My motherfucking crop top! I was seeing a lot of fat ass niggas talking about my motherfucking crop top. Man, shut your fat ass up. How the fuck is a nigga with your build talking about what the fuck I'm wearing like you can wear it? My motherfucking
Duke is handsome. I don't care what he's wearing. Alright, nah. Gotta put it out here like this. One, I already told myself, man, personally, I don't care about clothes no more. I don't care what nobody's wearing. I done seen the styles, like, yo, people was really roasting, like me as a kid, were really roasting our elders because they're still wearing big pants, you know what I mean? They still wearing big pants and stuff like that. We wearing skinny jeans. Now everybody's wearing big pants again, and I see the elders like, oh man, these pants are too big and stuff. It's just like, yo, what? Because not just because it's transformed, it's transformed into like this little flashy kind of little rock star-ish or Roman anime-ish. Now people have like anime-ish dressing vibes now, I call it. And clothes are always just gonna recycle and change. Like, yeah, I'm telling y'all, it's like, it's pointless to even care. Wear what you want to wear, and shit, you could be wearing something and then you be the first person to start the trend, and boom, somehow you're known for it, or there's something happens. Trust me. 2, it's for women. Dudes gonna be like, it's gay because most dudes, 9 times out of 10 in life reality, women have a guy has to learn to gain your own natural sexual